All right, so here's a video about post-traumatic stress, calm, and the ICE method, and a place to look at life from, to know that we are part of everything, we come from everything, into our specifics. I was having a session just the other day with somebody, and during that she went into a pretty significant PTSD reaction. And I asked her to stay with the process and just pay attention and notice where she felt it. She said, "I feel this all over my body." I said, imagine you're on the third floor of a building and this is your life, and over there is the elevator. So push a button and get on the elevator, and let's go down to the second floor. Push that second floor button. And maybe this will be a useful image for you as well. If you think about that third floor of your life, whatever's going on that has reactivity and stress involved in it, just think of those things. Feel where you feel them in your body, what the emotions are, anger, fear, and sadness, what the things are. You can pick one or a bunch, and then head over to that elevator. Push the button to go down to the second floor, and then wait there. Don't open the door yet. Know that on the other side of that door is a room that's just full of calm. There's nothing in it. Don't open the door yet. But when you're ready, and when you push that button to open the door, notice that the two sides of the elevator doors are going to go to the left and the right. Notice those spreading apart to open up and give you a sense of this empty space. Look through the doorway into the empty space of the second floor of this building. And when you walk into that room of the second floor, just notice the feeling of space, of nothing, and the presence of everything, and calm, and your stress response being turned off, and reactivity to nothing happening right now. You can do that if your attention can go from the third floor to the second floor. Like, just notice the space between these chickens. If you put your attention there, you become a reaction to the space, and where your awareness goes, the chemistry of your body follows. The neurochemistry, the neural wiring of your body responds to this. The discovery of memory reconsolidation is that you go back now to that third floor, the place of that upset. And of course you don't want to go there. You'd rather just stay here on the second floor. But if you go up to that third floor where the upset is, you literally will replace whatever you activated up there with this awareness of infinite calm, of source. And so turn over to that elevator and walk to it, open it, go in it, press floor 3 and go up. And before you open the door to go into that third floor, listen for a moment at what's there. They're the specific experiences of your life, those things that grab your attention in the specific way of your life, just like everyone else has a third floor of experiences that grab their attention. And often when we go in that room, we get so grabbed that we think this is it. Like this is all there is. One reaction to another, trying to get from a difficult place to a good place, trying to maintain a good place. It's a sticky like a Facebook post, like they talk about those things that attract and grab our attention. And what we're going to do is we're going to open that door. We're going to go in. And as soon as you notice yourself grabbed by anything, just turn around and get back on the elevator. All right, when you're ready, open the door. Go into that room and notice what you notice. For that woman who was having the PTSD reaction, she said, it's gone. That reaction is gone. Now, sometimes it takes more journeys between the third floor and the second floor, but that literally is biologically, neurochemically, synaptically what happens when we go back and forth between calm awareness, source awareness, and our stored upsets and reactivities. So notice whatever you notice here on the third floor. It's that simple. Where do you feel it in your body? Is the emotion anger, fear, sadness, or something else? Is it the same or is it different from what you felt last time you were here? Just notice whatever there is to notice. And when you have, go over to that elevator, open the door, and step in. Go back down to the second floor. Let your attention be in the awareness of calm and source awareness. And when it is, of course, you'll be tempted to stay there again. But get back in the elevator, bring it up to the third floor, go in, take a look, just for as long as it takes to identify the emotion, the place you feel it in the body. Is it the same or different from last time? What's the experience that's coming to mind? When you've got that, go back in the elevator, down to the second floor, grab your calm, back and forth. Different images of this same thing have come into my awareness over the years. The river of life. I've got an image of a mountain that you touch for the reactivity, and then calm space, the space between your hands, between 2 points. It's all the same thing. Bringing our awareness back and forth between the things that have captured our attention, the experiences of life, and then the space of calm and infinite awareness. So for the person yesterday who had the PTSD reaction, I'll ask her next time I see her to go back in the room and check on that. If there's anything else, to repeat this process. If it's calm, then to live, knowing, maybe like a chicken knows, that we're part of everything, part of source, part of the whole game. Our attention can take us away from that awareness, but when our awareness is on this, infinity, we know it's true. All right, hope this was helpful. Sure fun to share the story to all you chickens. You all look captivated, didn't you? You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.